How to grow on Instagram. So if you want to quickly learn how you're going to grow on Instagram, there's three main things that you're going to need to know. So first of all, you're going to make sure that your account is a professional account, okay? If your account is not professional, nothing will, actually grow for you. So make sure you have a professional account. Then secondly, you're going to want to upload mostly weekly, okay? If you upload daily, that's a big standpoint, but I would definitely urge you to upload weekly, like at least 3 to 4 videos per week or 3 to 4, engaging pictures per week. Then make sure to sign up for the verification badge because meta verification is pretty important as well. Once you do that, make sure to do a little marketing. Okay, you can do marketing through platforms like Shopify, and there's different social media marketing platforms as well. You can also try to pay people on Fiverr and LinkedIn to market for you to improve your SEO. And last and final thing is to sign up with the actual Meta Business Center, okay? So you're going to come to more, you're going to click on settings. And once you do that, you're going to make sure to go into your account center and make a professional Meta account and start campaigning over there because that will help you tons, okay? So once you do this for yourself, you're pretty much good to go. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and that is how you grow on Instagram. Goodbye.